We're here at SLE Equipment in Nashville, Tennessee. Looking at an 8.5 by 12 foot concession trailer. This trailer has an interior height of 7 foot. The 24-inch stone guard only on the front of the trailer. It's a good look at your 8-foot window. Exterior lights around it. Got a flip up counter outside, glass and screens on that window. This trailer is on single axle and one 5,200 pound axle there. There's your other exterior light. This trailer has a rear ramp door for loading equipment, food supplies, anything like that. .36-inch entry door there. 36-inch generator platform on an extended tongue, covered in the ATP metal. And right here is your 36-inch access door to access all your sink components. So there's your sink package, 30-gallon fresh tank, 2.5-gallon water heater and water pump. Right here you've got your 100-amp electrical panel with your 25-foot long 50-amp power cord. So you got 20-amp plugs on individual circuits in the unit. City water fill box for filling up your fresh tank. And your 50-gallon waste tank will be located underneath the trailer, and it will be drained out right here. So now going inside the trailer, 36-inch side entry door. Good look at your 8-foot window there. 8-foot window has 4 panes that slide up and down. A counter extending underneath the window. And then there to the back of the trailer you see the rear ramp. And on this side you've got your outlets, light switches, things like that. Wheel well for that single axle. Got some overhead cabinets above the sink package and cabinets below. Air conditioning and heat. Fluorescent lighting. Three-bin sink package there with the hand wash sink, separated by 18-inch drain boards. Overhead cabinets there. Once again, 8.5 by 12 foot concession trailer. White in color, SLE Equipment here in Nashville, Tennessee.